Hi, this is René and I will show you my solution for the second assignment of the CS50 Games course. For this assignment we had three goals. The first one was to implement a power-up class for the game. I did this with this class, and here I added a dictionary to hold all the power-ups that I implemented, which is to speed up, speed down, grow and shrink the paddle, and give a plusher to the player and give a random number of plus balls. Here we initialize the power-up randomly, and it also has the update, render, and collide methods. So for the second task, we had to grow and shrink the paddle such that it's no longer just one fixed size forever. I did this partially with the power-up class, and to show you how this fun functionality is implemented, we go to the play state. Here, uh, when we check all bricks, we check if the brick has a power-up, and if the brick was just trashed out of the game. And if so, then we spawn a power-up and we insert it into the table. Next, I will show you here in the update function, we also check for all the power-ups that are in game. So we can update them, and if they collide with the paddle, we can give that power-up to the player. And that function is written down here, where it just checks which power-up is the one to select, and it applies the needed action. The first two would complete the second task, which was to grow and shrink the paddle. Now to the main task, which was to add a locked brick. How I did this was to spawn a locked brick with a 50-50 chance on the map, and if a locked brick is spawned, then every time a key will fall, and if the paddle catches the key, then the ball will get the power up. So to show you this, I will go to the level maker again. Here we have the locked brick variable, which is a random 50-50 chance to spawn a locked brick. And down here we see if there is a locked brick, then one random brick will be locked. Then in the brick class we see this variable that I added for holding the logic of the locked brick, and also in the ball class I have added this boolean variable to hold if the ball has a key, and with these two variables it will determine if a brick gets opened. Now to show you that, I will go again to the play state up here. So if the brick is locked and the ball holds the key, then we give the player a bunch of score and we unlock the brick. And later we trigger the brick.hit method. So now also if there is a key, there will be a timer between 15 and 30 seconds, as I told you, which will spawn the key, which is implemented down here in the update function. So it will check if it needs to spawn, if there is a locked brick, and if so, then the timer will run. So that's it for the code. Now I will show you a game demo. So that was a quick game. With that I demoed I think every one of the features. Thank you.